All right. We should be live. I believe we are. I'm going to send an announcement real fast. All right. Yeah. Let's do some stuff today, you know? All right. Okay. All right. Welcome back, everyone. How are we doing tonight, you know? Hopefully, let me turn down my volume a bit. All right. Hawking, how are you doing, man? How's it going? How are you doing on this fine evening? God, this file size is too large. It's taking a second to load. Okay. All right. Well, we're back. We're back in the game of Godot, drinking and playing with kids. I love that, man. That is awesome. While I was gone, I did do some more work on a couple of scenes. We have a new scene that I've finished. I finished putting the putting all the what you call it, the collisions on everything. So this is the scene. We are in the main protagonist's rooms. Yeah, I put two and two together, Hawking. No worries, man. But yeah, this is I put this together real fast. No, this is a free model I found online. I don't actually do a lot of modeling. I like just doing animations and all the programming and stuff like that. That's my main niche. But I did apply this cool texture on this monitor to make it static, and then I rigged up two lights around the monitor to make it seem like it was emitting a light, which is very neat. If I can get to it, that's what it looks like normally. And then I added lighting and stuff. These are all lights. I changed the colors of each of them to be semi-different, which helps give it that cool look. Without it, you know, it's a little bit like, it's a little bland without it. If it's one thing I know, it's to decorate a scene with lights. The good lighting is key. You know, we have some fog set in here as well, just a small amount. So yeah. And then I added, I did a script for the camera. Small script that just makes your camera move. Just like normal sway, you know. So yeah, that was worked on this. I might do some work on this today. I need to do some, I know, right? This is a cool vibe and everything. I enjoy it, yeah. Definitely. I don't know how to make the, I really wish I could make these vertices or these collisions disappear. I'm not really sure how to make it disappear, I'm gonna be honest. And there's some things I took out like this right here. I just didn't like the look of it too much. It wasn't really textured at all, so I just kind of popped that guy out. That's a good idea. You know what? I might do that. We got some cigarettes already on the desk right here. Pen. Some paper. And then this is an Easter egg for my good old mate who really likes drinking milk. We have I always put this in all my games. Low-fat milk. Right behind the computer, just sneaking in there. And what I'm planning is, if I have the time today, I want the character to be able to walk around this whole scene and look at all the stuff and then interact with items like turning off the door or turning on the lights, which should be right there. Yep. Opening things, you know, all the fun stuff. I like adding like a cool depth like that, you know. I think it adds a really nice touch. And I think the main goal for today's stream, just to get some good stuff done. Last time we were here, we've worked on this. Oh, I also did sound design. While we were gone, I did some sound design, and it's rough. It's not great, but it adds the extra amount of immersion that's needed for the scene. which is just helicopter noise, wind, stuff like that. I also continued this helicopter animation, kind of just keeping it going, you know. So, might do some work on this today, I don't know. I also added this guard right here who has an idle animation. He's not really noticeable, but he's there, I promise. Let me get my mod on. Okay. You know what? I can't even do that. I'm gonna be honest with you, I know nothing about 2D games. You're already ahead of me. I have no idea how to make a 2D game. It's actually kind of funny. Medical credits, don't need that. Main scene. Ooh, okay, so this is the main scene that's working for the game right now. I'm going, because originally we just used this background right here, and it's honestly such a bad looking background. This game went from a kind of a PSX style, like a PS1 style game, to good graphics. So eventually I'm going to have to figure out how I can get a good looking scene, because making 3D scenes in Godot is honestly kind of difficult with like nature. But in the meantime, I guess let's just work on this. For the time being, I'm going to disable all of these. Yeah, I'm going to disable all of this stuff right here. Just gonna mark these out for now so I don't have anything. Okay, cool. So I'll come back and fix this later. Oh, wait, crap. No, it's gonna give me an error. I forgot. Oops. This needs... yeah. I always forget that it doesn't comment all the stuff in here. Okay, let's see. No sway, sweet. It doesn't confine the mouse. Perfect. Okay, cool. Now, what I can do is I'm going to just need to make sure that wouldn't confine, because originally that was confining the mouse to the screen and I wasn't able to escape. And all I have to do on that is just, instead of this sneaky input function that's just .set mouse mode, dot input mouse mode captured. This basically makes it so the mouse is stuck in the thing. So we don't want that. We want just, we can actually, instead of just passing it, we can just do, if I remember correctly, we can do set mouse square mode input, and then instead, I always love this stuff right here. This is great. Input.mouse. So we have a couple things we can choose from, so let's finish this underscore mode. Did I admit? Oh, impit? Impit is funny. Honestly, man, I would say go for a 3D game. Like, honestly, yeah. Hey, how are you? I'm happy you're here, mate. Yeah, I would say go for a 3D game, honestly. I mean, I think it depends on the person, to be honest. I like 3D games. That's just me. I like making them more than 2D games. But I know a lot of people like making 2D games. After you learn how to use animations, it gets a lot easier. Alright. Oh, Oreo, I made a new scene while I was gone. And added some stuff to it. Here we are. Oh, oopsies. Okay, so hold on. Okay, wait, this needs to be captured actually. So if we take this out, and then if we do function input event, and then if event is input event action, what was it, like this? What was the doc for this? And also this can't be if again. I'm gonna do elif. No, hold on. What was the input action? I think I have set for my main scene or something. I don't want to do, I think I can just do event.isAction like this right here. And then instead of doing UIW, I can just do like escape or something. Key escape, perfect, that's what I wanted. Sweet. And we need to actually untab that, and then we need to okay, cool. And then if we do that, we can do so basically what we're doing right here is theoretically, so right now the mouse mode is stuck in it, but if we could click escape, I want to make the mouse not stuck in it. Mouse mode visible. Should work. Unless I have something else set to escape or something else is weird. Who knows? Honestly, half my stuff doesn't work these days. Yep, there we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, send it to me for sure. All good, all good. Yeah, take it as many classes as you can, honestly. I learned from doing that. Also, I think what I'm going to do here is instead of doing a specified key, I'm going to just do a UI_cancel. Which should be set to escape unless it's something else. And hopefully I have that keybind set. Okay. Alright, there we go. That would be perfect for testing purposes. Honestly. Alright, yeah, here we are. This is the room. So that works pretty well. But instead of making it visible, we're going to do... we're just going to exit the whole scene. Which should... Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do, where was I? Guess we just do elif event.is_action_pressed UI cancel. Actually, no, we can just do else. Oops. Ooh, we might not be able to do else because of this thing. Actually, we'll just see what happens. We'll just see what happens. So this should... I think what's going to happen here is we have... what's going to happen here is we have mouse mode visible, but I think this else statement is going to tie to this one, so any movement's going to... I don't know. We'll see. This probably will not work in theory. This shouldn't work. Hawking, that is awesome, man. I'm happy you found the stream. Yep, well, just like I thought, look. Escape, and then any mouse movement detected will cause that, which is not what we want. And it's just, I'm just doing this because it's annoying to go out of that. I think what we can do is, what is it? What do I have it set on my main scene? Oh, on my main scene, I don't have it where you look around. Okay, yeah. I think if we just do a elif function. Elif. Oh, wait, no. This won't work either. What we can do here is... Oh, interesting, okay. We'll just do this right here. Keep on the same line, I guess. Else... Although this might still not work, actually. We'll do elif. Okay, wait, no. This is a really bad way of doing it. I'm going to just keep this how it is for now. Which is fine. VR games? I've never tried making a VR game. I think they look fun to make, but... I don't know. They kind of seem hard. It is also very hardware intensive, isn't it? Well, that's a cool scene. I'm gonna just set this so where if we press escape, I can just quickly quit. So what is it? Get tree. Get underscore tree. Or hold on, let me look it up. Exit Godot program via code. See, sometimes I have to check the docs. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah. I mean, even I forget stuff sometimes. So it's just get underscore tree dot quit. That should be it. And then I'm gonna actually untab this. It shouldn't make a difference. Sweet, let me check it out after this. So escape, perfect. Yep. Okay, that will work for. Oh my god, my dogs! Holy. Damn! What are you blocking at? That's crazy. Damn. Yo, that's. How did you get that camera movement? I like that a lot. That's awesome. And the camera... Did you hand animate that, or did you use a asset for that? Also, hold on, my dogs. Okay, I return. Hand animated? Dude, that is a really cool animation. That's like a VHS animation kind of. I like the zoom in on that. That's cool. Yeah, Unreal is superior in animations, isn't it? Honestly, I would just do whatever. With me, I kind of just like, I think everyone learns different, but how I learned to do a lot of my stuff is I just started on a project, and I never actually finished it, but I still learned a lot from that project. And that's what helped me a ton, like loads. Okay, so now from here, what do I do want a thing where they can insert like a floppy disk. That would be really cool. And I think, perchance, I might be able to. Can I open this floppy disk? No, I can't, but it's okay. I'll just go through. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to, I guess, go ahead and animate this good looking in the computer. So I have an idea for this. So obviously if we try to make an animation to jump inside the computer screen like I always do, it won't work because it will, like, if I'm looking over here, it'll cut straight over and jump, which would look really bad. And it's gonna do that from any way. There's not really a way to smooth that out, of course. So what I'm gonna do is when we're looking in the vicinity of the desktop, there will be a button of sorts or something I can an activation or something I can use where if I look into it, I can actually look into the computer. And I might have to turn off this camera sway. I'm not really sure yet. Actually, okay, hold on, wait. I haven't used this before. I haven't used. Okay, I might need a tutorial for this. I haven't used this before. Like, what is it? It's like. It's like. No, not point. Huh, okay, wait. This is one of those things where I have to actually think for a second how I'm gonna do this. What is the box? Like, you can... Oh, I'm actually just blanking right now. Let me Google it. Oh, it's raycast. That's right. Okay. And then what we do is we just set it right onto the camera node. So I remember now. Okay. Raycast 3D, always the go. We're gonna not make it a child yet. We need to attach it first. Get it spot on. Shoot. All right. Yo, I hate aligning things. I swear it takes so long sometimes. Collide with... Okay, transform. We're going to... Okay, recast. And then let's check what nodes we can do. Enter... Emitted when a child node enters the scene tree, either because it entered on its own or because the node entered with it. Exiting. Visibility changed. Oh, we're just gonna try this, honestly. So these, I'm gonna just do a print method for this. So we're gonna see what this does. That doesn't work, so we're gonna disconnect this node first. Tree entered. Child entered tree. We're gonna try this, and then we're just gonna try. So I'm just experimenting right here. I haven't used this. I haven't actually done a lot of walking around 3D games, so this is the first time for me. So we'll just see. I should get this in the debug console, depending on, like down here, I should see it print. If it does work. And if it does work, that's good. No, okay, it does not work. Okay, but we can figure it out. That's what we can do. Okay, I have an idea. So for the, first of all, for input map, we're gonna add a new action, and I think it's probably gonna be a, what would we want to use for like entering computer? For for like that animation, like space bar, or I think left click probably. So UI underscore left click, I'd say. Okay. And okay, so I guess let's make it. Oh, first of all, well, okay. That makes sense, you know. I didn't even have it attached to the camera, so no wonder it wasn't working. Bro, I'll love some Uber Eats right now. Uber Eats would go crazy. Okay, that doesn't work. Let's see if this one works. It's tricky, you know? Like, I don't understand it completely. Raycasting's weird, you know? I don't fully get it yet. Like, so supposedly when we enter this computer or when we're looking at it, the raycast should enter into the object and then we should get a warning or something like that, but it's not, which is okay. It's all right. So we're gonna make a script for this, I guess. Okay, and we're gonna just so we need one for the camera, of course, and we're gonna put that down in between. Do we have a process delta? Yeah, we do. Okay, cool. Oh, process delta. It should be fine, I think. So we'll do this. If raycast dot is underscore colliding, I think it is. Oh, interesting. Interesting spelling. Colliding. I definitely. Oh wow. Okay, I didn't spell colliding wrong. That's crazy, honestly. If raycast is colliding, I'm looking at the docs right now. Collider equals raycast get collider. And then we'll do, we'll call it real fast at, yeah, we'll just do on ready bar cast equals, and then let's drag this guy in here. Oh, right here. Okay. Now you shouldn't get an error. Sweet. Love to see it, love to see it. Alright, see ya. Yeah, I was gonna do that. I'm gonna do that right here, probably. I'll make it print something. Collider and input is underscore action underscore just pressed UI underscore left. There we go. Oh yeah, that's true. Need that colon. And then this is weird. I've never heard of this before. If collider dot has underscore method, and then we'll just do method. Oh crap! We need an animation for this. I just realized. Okay. We'll just do print for now. So that should work. Hopefully. What to order? Bro, I don't know about you, but I like some Thai food, man. Box. Yes, box. So what is this thing? Cube. We'll do this one. So we're going to attach a script to here. On ready. Bar anim underscore player equals. I don't think I'm gonna actually. I might not do this one. First of all, we kind of need an animation player. Oh, not a tree. A player. Animation player. Okay. function var, or no, we'll do function play underscore animation. What am I typing? That's crazy. First world problems. Actually, let me move this to my other monitor. That way I can see the entirety of chat. If anam underscore player underscore player dot play. Oh, we're just gonna do print test right now. Print. I don't know if this is gonna work. As long as we don't get errors, I'll be happy. Always room for errors. Okay, well, I can confirm it is not working. But that's okay. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and make the animation for it. So, new animation, computer, for look. Computer, we'll do computer underscore in. So we'll do it about right here, I'd say. So what we'll do here is first we need to get our camera position. So I always love me making some animations. It's not a featured spec, that's what I'm saying. Actually, I had a video on my YouTube channel a while ago of Godot interpreting a light switch wrong. And I think it got a couple thousand views, but it was really funny. I had a lot of people say that. So literally, like, the best way to do this is just like slam their head into the computer. Like this. I did a scale for this one, what? Huh? Why did I do a scale? Rotation. So like, okay, obviously that's bad, so we need to make it shorter. You know, I like doing that, that's my style. My signature touch on this. Like it fast. That's how I like it, right there, 6.1, sweet. So this is called computer end, so now we can finish the script. So we need to go back to camera. The only, like, yeah, it is. The most annoying thing is trying to use cubic animations, which eventually you'll get to it, but it's so frustrating because they're so great, but they're so terrible at the same time. Like, it's so tragic. Okay, so we have that now. Go back to camera. If collider has method. Collider has that has underscore method. Computer. Oh, you know what I need though? Hold on. And then collider.play underscore animation. Okay, now go to the raycast. Oh, you know I'm stupid actually. We want extending camera 3D. Then we want to actually just take the bottom half of this script. And then we will do a... Oh, Unity, yeah. Unity is... You know, if you do ever want to use Unreal, I know I personally hated blueprints, but I know a lot of people do like them. I doubt this will work, but if it does work, that would be great. Let's hope it works. No. This should be... This is attached. Why are you not wanting to work? Disconnect these, I guess. I don't think this will work, unfortunately. Oh, I'm so silly. Okay, you know, I'm stupid. This isn't gonna work right here. Yeah. This needs to... I'm actually fumbling so hard right now. Okay, this needs to be on... There we go. And then we need to... We have raycast, I think. This should work. Interesting stuff right here. Guys, I'm getting mixed signals. Okay, let's take a look at this. So if we are looking at this guy, maybe I need to make the raycast smaller. Like this, maybe? Box we have the script attached to is right here. Maybe the pass-through was messing it up or something. Hold on. Okay, first of all, let's make sure I'm actually... Do I left click all devices? Let me do just to double check that I'm that this is doing what it's supposed to be doing. I'm gonna just do L, and we're gonna see if if this still works. And also, let me make sure I have this set to the right and I'm UI left. Yep, that should work. Hey! Glad to have you here, man. I don't know, were you able to make it to the Discord? I could not tell who joined what or when. Also, this does not work. No. Unfortunate, honestly. Oh, yeah, Lua. I was never a huge fan of Lua. Okay, hold on. Raycast. Maybe there's something in here. It's enabled, yeah. I think this has to be something with the raycast itself, I think. Hold on, what am I... How is that? What is that? I don't even know at this point. I'm gonna be honest with you. Okay, that should work. Okay. Yeah, nope, still doesn't work. Awesome, man, yeah. Well, glad you're here, yeah, for sure. Right now I'm just struggling a lot with this raycast. I'm not really sure why. I don't know, honestly. What I'm gonna do for the meantime is I'm gonna just do the lazy thing. And we're just going to do this. We're just going to do input event. We're just going to copy this guy from here. If input.event is pressed, we're going to play animation. This is going to be super rough, but play. Computer underscore in. Okay. This should work. You got me chicken curry. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it, man. W Hawking right there. Okay, so if I... Yep. Oh! Okay, we'll see. That's interesting. Okay, well, let's just see... Okay. Programming? Okay, so this is the interesting thing. I did some work off stream on just this whole room. This room's completely new. This entire room's completely new. I added this as well. And I started doing this animation right here. We have an issue, though. Houston, we have an issue. So, the animation... Okay, we might be able to use L and just have that go in. It's going to be weird, of course. But I think if I might have a way around it. So if I'm looking like this way... Yeah, that definitely doesn't work. Okay, never mind. Hold on. All about thinking how to fix this, you know? Is there like a... Okay, I'm gonna check docs real fast on how I can... I'll just add another function, I guess. Function enable underscore look underscore around. Now we're gonna need a variable for that, of course. Variable can underscore look underscore around equals true, of course. Okay, now that we got the variable, we can do can underscore look underscore around. That's true. Now and what we can do actually, I'll put the if function in here. So if animation.play computer in can underscore look underscore around equals false. That should work. Can I not? Oh. Oh, well, okay, hold on. Well, first of all, this is in the wrong spot. My bad, guys. And what else do we need? Well, this, first of all, probably would do that. Actually, you know, we kind of do need this under our... we're going to put this, actually. What did I just do? We're going to put this back under here, okay? Yeah, that's on me right there. Let's stick this at the start. This should work in theory. Very rough, of course, but I mean, theoretically, this should do the trick, hopefully. Ooh, not good, not good, not good. Trying to get a return value of a method that returns a void. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's playing. I think it's something like that. If I remember correctly, there's a playing animation thing. I have no idea, I don't remember for sure. No, there is not a playing. Okay. If animation.player. We'll just do this. If animation.player. It's like if. First of all, I really don't like this. Dot playing. Is it like dot is underscore playing? Oh, dude, I'm actually so stupid. Oh my god, I cannot believe I just went through all of this. I've completely goofed. Guys, I just realized how stupid this all is. Okay, well, first of all, if computer in... Okay, well, okay, first of all, can look around, we'll just set this to false right here, okay? And then if can look around equals false, what we'll do is we will just do mouse mode visible, because we still need the ability to use our mouse. We just need it to be... Bam! That has to work. Guarantee you that's gonna work. Unless I goofed that somehow, but this should work in theory. Yeah, so if I okay, well that's not supposed to happen. Well, let's see what just happened. Okay, so first of all, we don't actually even need this. We're gonna... First of all, just for theory, we're just gonna do this for now. Mouse mode. Okay, so honestly, it's not that bad. So basically, what I'm doing here is when we look inside the computer, when I play the animation, I don't want to be able to look around. I want to just actually be stuck inside the computer. So then I can do computery things inside the computer. So what I've done, you see that's happening right here. I'm still looking around. I don't want that to happen. So right now, whenever I press the left click keybind, it's going to play the animation that pushes us into the computer. And then I'm going to just make our mouse... Or I'm just... Can I just disable this? Mouse... It's pretty simple. I'm just basically trying to find a way to... Well, actually, yeah. I'm just trying to find a way to stop the mouse from looking around while I'm inside this animation. So if I... See how I do that whenever I... And it's broken, of course, because I don't have an exiting animation. It's not stopping itself. But I just want it to stop right here. But a very simple, very simple fix that's going to make it a little weird. Oh yeah, sorry about that, Oreo. Completely forgot. I like it, yeah, it looks good. It sounds good, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna add another color rack to this. So basically what we're gonna do, very big brain, do it real fast. So what we're gonna do here, first of all, we're gonna add a shader to this. Shader material, quick load, CRT. Okay. Warp. So once we have the warp in, we're going to there we go. All we're going to do here is basically whenever we do this computer animation, we're going to extend it by 0.1 second. This is all of a sudden, which should be invisible. We're going to... So on the start of everything, it's going to be invisible, right? And then as soon as we jump into this animation, it's going to jump to being visible, which means we are inside computer, which should fix everything. Hopefully. It might still be a little weird, like you're trying to escape it or something, but let's see. So yeah, I think it works. It works for now. It'll do the trick for now, I guess, you know. Hey, QP. Glad to have you in the Discord server, man. Thank you. Yeah, basically that's the gist of it, if that makes any sense. So what's happening here is we are, whenever we click that certain key, we are just basically going inside this. And actually what we can do here is instead of captured, we can do captured visible. Does that make sense? I think that should... It's weird, you know. Confined. I mean, that should work, I think, for now. Sorry, I'm drinking ice water. Perfect. See, now we can move our mouse around. Okay, so now I have an idea. 3 times? They shouldn't be doing that. Monitor, it should be off. Anyone else having the that issue? I don't know why it shouldn't be happening in theory. Also, okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to just kind of brute force the camera movement to make it rotation like this right now. Okay, these should all be on cubic. Okay. Alright, so this should work for animation-wise. Still working on the logistics of not letting you do it unless you're staring at the computer, but that shouldn't be too hard, just for like proof of concept right now. You know, that will work. Easy. Okay. Now we just need to do computer underscore out. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take the animation spots and then go to computer out, and then I'm very sorry about the brightness, by the way. If anyone is getting blinded by the light, I apologize. Reset on this. Reset was reset. So if I delete these keys, go to reset. Do that. Computer out. Control Oh, yeah. Mark these. Boom. Actually just big brain the whole system right here. Now, we can switch these keys around. You guys probably don't know what I just did, but Godot's keyframes are so annoying. So now we have a out animation. 0.1, and what we can do here is we can go from this being visible. Which if I make this visible, and then go back here and make it invisible. Now, the fun part, actually the most frustrating part, just takes a second, you know. Var in computer. So we're going to take this variable. I'm going to run down this very quick. We take this variable, set to false, in computer equals false, and then from this, using our main scene, what we did here, we did this function input. I'm going to just copy this entire thing over because that makes my life easier. If you know, you know. It's really interesting. I'm using this whole thing like a whatchamacallit. This whole you're not supposed to put your code in your camera node. It's really funny, but I mean, I don't know. I guess it's so basically what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna copy and paste that into here. If in computer, we're going to tab this over twice, if I remember correctly. No, incorrect amount of tabs. Nope, that was the right amount of tabs. My fault. Check that. If in computer, did I do something wrong? This should be correct. Yeah. I think this is right. I shouldn't be getting this. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. Yeah, it is a big deal for sure. Yeah. If in computer, why am I getting an error? Yo no comprende. What's happening? Ah! Am I tweaking or something? I feel like something's. Oh well, is it this down here? It says it's coming from up here though. What is happening? This should in computer. Actually so lost right now why I'm getting an X3213 found. Huh. I feel like something I gotta be tweaking or something. Oh, well, yeah, I was tweaking, my bad. We just need to rearrange it, that's all. So no, I'm not tweaking. Is it this right here or something? Is this causing it? No, it's line 32. God, I love code. Honestly. Which script was this? Right here. What? I'm stupid. I had this tabbed in for no reason. That's so funny. Okay, well that's interesting. If I just do like else animation to play computer close. I think I said it too. Computer close. Okay, this is actually confusing me a lot. I don't understand why it's having such a hard time registering indents. No, never mind, it was me. I just saw wrong. My bad. Okay, well, it's broken. That's for sure. So we did if action dot press if in computer. Oh, well, that makes sense right here. This is just wrong. That right there is just wrong, first of all. Wait, what? I haven't had this long of a struggle before. Kidding, this is interesting. This is interesting, this is happening right here. Gonna cancel. Action that press if in computer equals if in computer else. Maybe I don't have the animation right. Oh, yeah, I don't have it right. I always diss myself. I just incorrectly name the animation for some reason, and then it doesn't call it. Okay, this should work. Hopefully. Yep. That works. Okay. Now we can spruce up the animations. So, computer out. 0.2. We're going to do 0.2 because we need it to go out further. Yep, there we go. Now this should work. So we did that. Good job. That took me a while, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm actually surprised it took me that long to do that. It's rough. I'll figure out how to unrough it or something like that. Oh, forgot this as well. The last piece, confined, not confined. So input captured. There we go. Okay, so that will work for now. For the time being, this mess will work. I'm gonna actually dedicate the rest. I'm gonna just make this look good for a second, you know. Okay, I guess that looks fine for now. So yeah, that works. It works, guys. Okay, we have that working. So we can access animations now. I'm gonna take a break from this scene. I'm gonna move back to this hospital animation scene. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. What do we do from here? I mean, kind of don't really know. I mean, we got this guy going through here. Haven't found a really good hallway animation yet for that, so ooh, that's tricky. Well, I guess, okay, we can work on the main menu. This needs some work. Definitely needs some work. Okay, can I take off this this wretched? Sweet. Here's what it looks like without the stuff. So now. So if we put these guys back. You would think that they would sing perfectly. But no. What is it under camera? Oh, they sing perfectly. Okay, I'm just stupid. My bad. Font size, we'll do 50. No, we'll do 30. We'll do 40. We'll do 40. 40 safe. No, we'll do 35. There we go. Okay, now we can turn this off. I feel like this is the setting one smaller? Oh, it is because I just changed it. Okay, 35. Yeah. And then credits. Oh man, I don't remember what font this was. Impact regular. Impact. Maximum impact? Yeah. Maximum impact. Oh. Font. Font size 35. Want colors, yes, recent colors. Oh, it doesn't keep track of the recent colors. It's so sad. I have an idea for that though. It's simple. We just gotta, bam. We have a recent color. Now let's get this recent color. You know what I'm saying? Recent color. Bam. Okay, cool. Okay, well that's also not in full all caps, so. God, it does take a while, I'll be real with you. Okay, I mean, I think that should work. Button 4. We'll do exit with a 35 size font in maximum impact with a color of, you guessed it, green. Okay, for now this will work. So now we put this under camera. Now we turn on this. Okay, that's extremely not how I was hoping that to look. watch some old GDC talks about games, like failing to fail the Spidersoft way. Alright, this should be working. If you do end up, or you should post your game process to the Discord server, you know? It'd be pretty neat. Oh my god, they're all misaligned. And this one's smaller, these two are smaller. What happened? See, this is the confusing part. These all look fine. This all looks, it's something, I swear, with the canvas layer. Layer, visible on, follow viewport. Yeah, sure. Control. It's resizing and it's really making me a little bit upset. I think I know why though. So I think on reset it's being a certain size, which is not what we want. So yeah, you see reset? That's why. Yeah, you should do that, man. All part of the journey. 35. $35? $35 on animation. Boom. Now we only have a few things to fix from here. I might have done that the wrong way. No, didn't do that the wrong way. Just need to move it over slightly. Okay. There we go. Cool. Okay, now this needs to be gone. Okay, hopefully this looks good. I think this interlude thing's gonna reposition itself, just knowing how it is. I might honestly just remake this whole menu. It's been such a pain. Well, I mean, looks like we're getting actual feedback right here. Settings. Oh, well, okay, that wasn't supposed to do that. Okay, well, first of all, I mean, let's go ahead and start the fun stuff. So first, play settings. Which one is button 2? Button 2 is... Okay, so button. We're gonna do the credits first. So for button press, we're going to get tree change file to the one, the only credits.tcs in. Did not mean to put it there. Put that in parentheses because, you know, gotta have it. Yep. Also, that was meant to go up here. I swear. I probably just messed something up by that, but it's okay. We'll just not... Yeah, that's okay. Okay, now. Alright, guys. Theoretically, this should transition us to the amazing credits. And I'm going to smooth it out, make it look a lot better. Okay, well, you know what? I ran the credits one. That makes sense. Main menu. See what we're working with on here. Credits. Switch scene. That was a flawless scene switch. No loading errors. So there we go. Wonderful. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is we're going to make an animation for the switch to credits. New credits. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to take our original stuff for this. So specifically, we're just going to take the brightness and the speed, if I believe that's correctly so. Thank you. That is a whole theme with this thing. Is I really like Deadmau 5. I don't know if you've heard of him, but I really do like him. One of my favorite music artists. And firstly, I'm going to take a screenshot of this right here, so I can remember these values. So I do like that. That was an unreleased track of his, you know. So. Okay, what else we got? Roll speed, roll size. What? Okay, I guess I... Create that. Create that. Okay, these are all the settings we have to change to. Okay, here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change the settings. First of all, pixelate. That's gonna be like that, and then we're going to do off. Okay, now. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh no. Okay, hold on. I have to go back and fix a lot of this stuff now because I realized I just messed up. First of all, oh no. I am not stupid actually. I just miscalculated what I needed to change. Okay, and then to here we're gonna just go like, bam. And then literally everything else just changes to like back to where it normally is. So, okay, this should work. Okay, well, it went a little faster than anticipated. Wonder why it's going so fast. It's just... well... I guess we can play around with this for a second. So, static. So we'll do a static right here, and in this static we will go from having all of this stuff being visible for the start. This will be visible. All this stuff, all the animations just take so long, I swear. Visibility. Okay, and then this label right here. First of all, this needs to be visible. Reset. But we do want it actually invisible. No, we do want it visible right here. And then we want this to be visible as well. Ah, slow roll. cool. I think I know what you're talking about as well. Before though, let me turn off all of these, make all these invisible so it seamlessly clips into the scene. Oh, the buttons are so tedious. Okay, and then from here, we're also going to do a funny thing. First of all, we're going to set this as visible, right there. And then whenever we go here, we're going to make that invisible. So now, should be getting something like this, which should somewhat match what we're going to what we're going to go into. So if we do this right here, and we run our animation in .play. Oh man. Credits. How long is this animation? 1 second. We're going to do a 1 second timer so it hasn't started yet. Okay. Let's check it out. Let's see if this credit thing works. How we're doing on the credits. I think that pretty seamlessly integrates. Cool, I mess with it. I mean, let me check it out. Half-Life. That's my only thing I have to say. Half-Life. Half-Life on God. Also, we're going to change up the music bit. We're going to change up the music. Sweet. Cool. Oh! But I think it's cool, Dorio, for sure. So this is me going completely nerding out right here. So we can set our... I love this whole thing right here. You can, I don't use this enough, for sure. When Half-Life looks like that? Dude. This is what you sent me. This is what it looks like a bit. One of these guys. Sorry, Oreo sent me something. So what we're going to do, even more nerding out right here, we're going to actually fade in the audio. Or fade it out more of. So, very simple, we just do that. Very simple. Now... This thing does have buttons, I have to say. A lot of buttons. Probably the most frustrating part by far. Okay. Credits. Sweet. Now for the credits scene, what we're going to do, I'm going to fade into this audio. So we're going to do our audio, which is set to 0 decibels. We're going to set it to 80. We're going to go in 1 second and set it back to 0. And then that's an even fade right there. Okay, let's get another gander at what this looks like. And see if this transition is good enough. Also, I hate to be that the guy who just nitpicks, but this is supposed to be like this right here for the start. Oh wait, I think I messed something up. I don't know. There we go. Fades in. Nice and clean fade. credits, I'm gonna actually change this text real fast, this label. First of all, I'm gonna also alter this fade in length to like give quite a while. And then at the look how this animation is funny to make. So this label right here, specifically, I'm going to change it to a different font. This is gonna take me a second probably because I'm so indecisive when it comes to fonts. Procedural animation, good luck. Basic regular. Ooh, that's kind of clean. Powered by Godot engine. I do have to add this. I do. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Do have to add that at the end. I think it goes like that. Copyright. Okay. Oh wait, did not mean to run it. My bad. Okay, let's check it out one more time, you know? Main menu. See how this looks, see how this works, see how this, if this does good or not. Alright, I just went to get a check on the text though, so I'm gonna watch it all the way through, I guess. I have a great idea. So I know a lot of people vibe with that music, so what I'm gonna do here. Here's we're gonna at the end. So 37. 39-second mark, we're gonna do another label. Click space to return to main menu. Vibe. Okay. Then we're going to do our fonts. So, theme overrides fonts. 20 was it? Like 30. Yeah. Okay, and then what we're gonna do here is get 2025. 39. So right here we'll do modulating the color. Modulating the color just makes it so it fades in. And then what we'll do is, I love this. I love it when games do this, where they do like a blinking. So we'll set to 200. We'll do 150 actually. And all we gotta do is duplicate and duplicate. And duplicate a ton. we can duplicate even more. And even more now. Okay, let's check it. And then eventually the song does end. First of all, let me add it though. Let me add the actual spacebar script. Shouldn't be too hard to do, considering I just wrote something similar right here. Function input. Just copy the whole thing. Okay. UI space. We're going to go to our menu and grab our scene skip. And then we should just, I mean, it'll switch to it. It won't be clean, but it will. Well, it'll switch to it. There we go. Alright, so, hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, I have returned. Okay, let's try it and see what we just made and see if it works. Check it out. Okay, so we have all these options. We'll go to credits. Fade in. That gray flash, I had to fix it. It's something super complicated. You have to do multi-thread level loading to fix it. Super annoying. So this should fade out, and then the other one should fade in, and when it fades in, it should blink. And there we go, back to the main menu. Speak English. I know, right? And there we go. It sends us back to the start. And whenever we do that, I'm going to see, I like making things as smooth as humanly possible. So we're going to make another animation. We're going to make main_menu. And in this main menu, what we're going to do is we're simply just going to do 1 second. And we're just going to make this invisible. Oh, crap. Okay, yeah. I just won't talk when loud music is playing like that. Hopefully the background music is still understandable though. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do this. This doesn't make a lot of sense. Well, there's that whole loop right there. This main menu, I think is good. Settings, I'll do later. Exit works, play works. Oh, wait, no, play doesn't work. We need to go to the main medical scene, which is just... Oh, no, yeah. And then once medical is done with the Cerent, we'll leave it for 25 seconds. We'll do this scene for 25 seconds, and then we'll switch to another scene. What I was saying earlier is, there's like a light flash a flashing light whenever you switch scenes really fast in Godot. It's the most frustrating thing. And it is due to loading the level so fast. And the only way to combat it is do something called multi-threading loading, which is super annoying. But let's try this out, see if this works. The main menu. Cool. So play. I'll have to check it in a second. I'm gonna be honest with you, it should have skipped that by now. Get tree change file hospital.tcs, and let me look that up and make sure that's the right directory. Well, I spelled hospital wrong. That's funny. If anyone ever goes through this, like the files of this game, it's gonna be really interesting for them to see all the spelling mistakes I had. Okay. I'm gonna just go ahead and run it through without going through the main menu. It should automatically skip it through the main scene, and then from there we can neat the audio out and stuff like that. He tweaks out right there for some reason. Okay, it should have done... Okay, well, of course it'll be cleaner than that. Alright, let me check this rig out. That is a rig. It is, in fact, a rig. Pico 8. First of all, this is what we're using for... Oh, this is a cool extension maker, by the way. Or not extension... What am I talking about? File... GTLF to FBX. Anyways, I've never used Pico 8 personally. Oh, yeah, I honestly haven't used it before, so I would say just try it out if you want to. Your first rig ever? You haven't rigged a character before? I don't know what I'm talking about. I haven't either. Well, no, I have. I have rigged one character before, but it was very bad. Okay, so right here where we will turn this guy from here, 45 to 50. So he's gonna be transitioning into there. And then from 40 we will do... Okay, well that's not playing. That is playing. That is playing. So right here we will do audio, create, And then from 40 as well, we will do this. So that it will go from this volume all the way down to -80. And then right here, we will do the same thing. There we go. And then this guy right here will go from this to about 2. That should pass it pretty well. Okay, we can... Okay, so first of all, hold on. This ends at, what, 50 seconds? Second mark, that ends. Cool. Okay, so 1 minus numero 50, which is 45.9. Cool. One more time. I hate that turn in, or that transition in. I'm gonna fix that for sure. It bugs me so much. Oh, it didn't. What happened? What went wrong? We're playing piano animation, right? Whole animation. Okay, well something's happening here. Okay, well something went wrong there. I'm not really sure what happened. We're just gonna do this. Don't need that. Audio stream, whichever one's playing Claire de Lune. This one, we will autoplay. I think this should work. I mean, it should. I don't know why it wouldn't. Okay. It fades in correctly. It should have skipped it by now. And that's not fading out either. That's so weird. It's such a weird... Piano, or this thing should be fading out cleanly. We go to our Claire de Lune. Should start fading out. It's just not fading out. Interesting. Something is happening here, and I have no idea why it's happening. I don't know why. What is happening here? Absolutely just bamboozled right now. Oh, my dog's actually kind of nuts. Okay, well, we were also on the wrong one right there. Okay, and then this should be... Okay, let's... Last time I'm trying this because it takes too long to test it out every single time. My dogs, oh my god, they're barking. What the... Oh, what the heck? Oh my god. What just happened? What just happened? No. This is what's scary about working with animations. Oh. That's not good. That was... I apologize. That was not good. That was some THX that dude. Oh my god. The static noise for the monitor just decided to jump all the way to 24 decibels. I love it when my stuff just decides to not do anything correctly. Like, actually scared the hell out of me. So I don't understand why it's doing it particularly. I don't know why my animations just have a mind of its own right now. Like, do you see this right here? So first of all, this value is set negative 18. This one's set at negative 10. I've never had this much of a frustrating experience with... Dude, I'm sorry, bro. Honestly, I don't even know how that happened. Like, genuinely? It's jumping to 24 for no reason. This is actually the most frustrating. Oh my god, dude. Genuinely, how is it... Gotta be the most frustrating thing I've dealt with. Holy crap, dude. See, it's just going for like, oh, I want to go up to 24 decibels for no reason at all. That just sounds like a great idea. This one's not doing it. Okay, honestly. Okay. I'm a little bit worried it's going to happen again. You loved it. I'm a little bit worried it's going to happen again, so I'm going to just mute the audio for like 1 second to test out and make sure that it does not kill me. Oh, bro, that must have shaken your head. This is actually, hopefully, okay. I can confirm it's working good. It's not working good. Okay, this is so stupid. Nothing is working. What? Okay, that's not on autoplay. This is just not wanting to function, as always. Okay, I have to double check this now so it doesn't jump up to... Do you see that right here? Look at that. That is that has to... Oh my god, I know why. Are you serious? That is so stupid. I had it on cubic animations, and it just... When it's on cubic, it just decides to rise to freaking 10 kajillion units of value above what it's supposed to be at. Absolutely bloody delightful. Look at this. So right here with cubic, it just decides, you know what? I'm gonna blow up your headphones real fast. Oopsies, blew up your headphones. I don't know why. All right, it should be fine now. It should be fine. It was a decent transfer. I'll take it. Okay, that was the gist of it. Oh my god, I've never been that actually terrified in my life before. Genuinely freaked me out. Like, I almost just don't trust it anymore. Okay, and then at the end of this, what we're gonna do... Okay, first of all... Can I just slowly... Slowly do this, like... It will be on Steam, of course. Okay, let's try this out. It'll be on both Steam and Itch, yeah. We will have it on both Steam, Itch, Game Jolt, everywhere. Steam will be the most annoying because they pay $100 to upload it there, but definitely want to have it there for sure. Oh, brother, everyone who's watching stream will get one for free. I'm gonna gift it to almost everyone in the Discord. I think everyone in the Discord server will get a free key for just being there. Alright, that's a good stuff done. Let's check out the strig. Bro, what is the... Oh, no. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. W, man. I was lost for a second while I was doing that. Bro, I appreciate it, man. I do this kind of stuff most of the time for free, so... Any help, I gracefully appreciate it. But in the meantime, we're switching things up. We're gonna be doing a little more ambient stuff now, because it's time for more hospital cutscenes. So he lands, right? He actually needs to take back off, so we're gonna animate that now. Okay, so animation-wise, we're going to get him. So to lift off, he's going to go up, of course. We'll do a little bit of rotation on this guy. So yeah, he's gonna lift up. Animating helicopters is always so difficult. Kind of him to like go back, like. Like, just to like fly off the building, really cool, I guess. I'm really bad at animating helicopters, that's the main thing. Let's see this monstrosity. Holy moly, he's on the ground, okay. Oh. Gee, I love... Okay, first of all, yeah, we're gonna do nearest. Oh my god, dude, actually, this is the most frustrating thing about Godot, I swear to god. Can't use cubic for anything, because why would it let you? Oh, you want to use nice animating? No, you don't get to. You're not allowed to, apparently. You're not allowed to use cubic animations because it's going to overwrite everything else. Oh my gosh. Is there any way around that? That's so... If I mark this twice... and then I lift off... It shouldn't, right? Okay, no, cool. There we go. So what we're gonna do here... We're just gonna treat it like it's linear. We're gonna move this right here. And then we're gonna do double. I love that. That is so funny. Okay. So first of all, he's going to... Basic movement wise, he's going to do this. Okay. Now we just got it. Animate this clearly and easily so it doesn't get confused like it always does. Are you gonna get confused with that? No, W. Yeah, it's scuffed. Oh, no, now it's not gonna work. Yo, it works. Wait, what? Okay, cool. That actually works. I'm actually so happy right now. Okay, we're gonna... No, don't want to do that. We're gonna smooth out these. Okay, that should be... Genuinely, it's not actually that bad. This is slow. We can speed this up right here. We're gonna fix this rotation for this frame right here. Never mind. Never mind. It's gonna do the spinny thing. I knew it. I knew it. Oh my... It's actually the most frustrating thing in the world, I swear, man. Okay. Like, it has potential, you know? That looks so goofy. Okay, let's check this out one more time. We're getting here. We're getting there. I want it to be like a cool... Okay, that's not... That ain't it, Chief. If I try to turn it all this way, it just decides to have a stroke and turn 10 billion times. If I decide to do this right here, it's going to spin it 1,000 billion. No, maybe it's not going to spin it. My bad. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, can we not have key? Oh, well, I don't have it. Oh, well, it's going to start spinning. No, it doesn't spin. That's crazy, actually. Now, if I delete this right here, will it spin? Okay, guess not. I mean, it will work. I'm not a huge fan of it. I think there's just something off about it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do for sure is, so I want it flying off in the distance, obviously. Okay, so this should, I mean, be pretty spot on, I feel like. So we're going through here. He's taken off, and then we should see him in the distance flying away. Not in a good distance, like... Crap. It's so, it's a little goofy. Oh, it's so goofy. Okay, hold on. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. Hey, Animation 52. How are you doing, mate? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna change music. How are you doing on this nice evening that bestows us? I'm gonna just go ahead and do this. Thank you, I appreciate it. Before you got here, we actually we did a work on like transitions from stuff, and then right now I'm failing to attempt to make this helicopter takeoff look cool. I want him to be going off in the distance, but kind of getting a little hard to do that because you can't see it. And what can you do? Ooh. But I can do. Hold on. Sketchfab model. Delete this. So yeah, we're just working on this slowly, making stuff done. Slowly and steadily doing stuff. Bug by bug. You can't see it, yeah, that's unfortunate. So what we'll do instead is we'll just do this. Move this. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No. What? That's not cool. I don't know what these ones are, and I don't know why they're here, because this... God, cubic animation's ridiculously annoying to use. If I don't put 16 keyframes right here of the same helicopter spot, it's just gonna not work. Okay, cool. That works. Cool. I'm happy we got that done. Let's take a look at what we got here. Let's take a look at the cutscene that we have. He's lifting up the ground. He's lifting off the ground right there, which is not good. That looks so bad. Crap. Okay. I mean, I know why it looks bad. It's because we need to space this out more or something like that. That looks better. Thank you, thank you. So far, we also we worked on other stuff like to list a few. We have the main menu. I fixed it. So this is what we're working with on the main menu right now. Main menu. Options. Love those, you know. So for credits, it transitions us into the credit menu, which I made a little bit ago. So yeah, and then if we press space, we go back to the main menu, of course. Let's see, play. We can play through the cutscenes for the first part of the game. So if we press, obviously I need to fix that transition. It was once working, I promise, but. First cutscene. And this will have like intro story monologue over it. I have to do the work on that, but that'll be the last thing I do. All the voice acting with. I have some people lined up for that, but I want to have the game finished before they do that. So monologue, we'll go over this for this cutscene right here, and then eventually the monologue will die down. The audio dies down, you know, and then we transition into the next. Kind of the intro part right here. Which that gray flash I have to fix. Unfortunately, can't really do a lot about that. That looks better. That looks a lot better than what I had. One thing I do want to add. Oh, we also did this right here. 2025 games are never done, honestly. Honestly, this is a fun pet project. I don't know when I'm releasing it, but it's not gonna take a while. We also finished this room right here. Nice and cool looking. This is behind the scenes. You can go inside the terminal, stuff like that. Very rough, you know, but it's okay. And then inside terminal, I'll actually have a terminal like I have in the other scene. So we've made a lot of progress tonight, honestly. I'm actually very happy with everything we've done. I think the other things I kind of want to do on this part, so I really want to have the animations of like people. But I might just do that on my own because it's kind of a boring process, you know. What I will do... Ooh... So we definitely need to find... Okay, so what I'm going to do... Sorry for that flash, by the way. I'm going to look for... hallways. I know it sounds weird, but... we need a good hallway. So do this next thing in... a good old-fashioned hallway. One that doesn't look too futuristic. One that doesn't look too... dark, just a hallway, you know. I might just model it myself, honestly. I've been looking all over and I really can't find a single good model. Here, this is what we're looking at right here. I might just use... So here. I will give you guys... Okay, so no one's... I sent it to Oreo, I think. I could be wrong if I did send it to him or not, the mod. But this game is, as you might know, it is an episodic horror series. So I'm going to read you the script because I'll probably only read it this once. Just so you have an idea. But this is how it is. An interlude, which is the name of this game. You play... Let me turn the music, by the way. An interlude, you play as Subject 108, a volunteer in a groundbreaking experiment at Solstice Dynamics, designed to explore the space between life and death. The Dimensional Array DRA machine creates a new reality, the interlude, where you are tethered to the fabric of this world. As the experiment unfolds, you uncover the terrifying truth. The interlude is a sentient space that feeds off your neural activity, and without you, it collapses. Might sound complicated, but having to summarize it is kind of hard. Throughout the episodes, you discover the interlude's existence is the result of Solstice Dynamics' attempt to control time itself, but their experiment spiraled out of control. You realize that your survival is tied to the interlude, and if you die, it could destabilize the interlude. The game culminates on the choice: break the loop by severing your connection, which ends the interlude, preventing the scientists from using it to alter time, but traps you in a voidless entity, repeating the cycle forever, or preserve the loop, allowing the interlude to continue and granting Solstice Dynamics control over reality, but at the cost of your own existence. So in short term, I got inspiration from this when I heard about a 7-minute period. Basically, when someone dies in real life, they have 7 minutes of neural activity, and we don't know what it is, but it's there. Scientifically, there's just 7 minutes of neurons in your brain passing through, and we have no way of explaining why that happens. And that's what inspired me to create this. So basically, what they use is that idea of 7 minutes to create a new dimension called interlude. So this person is technically dead, but they're inside a new dimension, which is that 7 minutes. And Solstice Dynamics isn't as good as we think it is. And yeah, that's kind of the gist of it. It all ties back in. I don't want to go too deep into it because I don't want to ruin the game for everyone who wants to play it here. But it all ties back into a whole grand schming. So, yeah, but if you have questions, I'll answer them for sure. It's heavy lore. Again, this is like... This is like it's really hard. It sounds really complicated and a lot when I explain it in 6 sentences, because this is supposed to be like an hour and a half long game fleshed out, and fleshing it out into 6 sentences is actually very difficult. So yeah, that's just kind of how it is. But I do dev vlogs like these because it's fun. Main menu. Actually, hold on. This main menu, we need to add my... Beautiful. There we go. That's my game studio. So for intro, this guy needs to be visible. So 0.6, we'll make him visible. And then he'll probably go invisible. And then in here, we actually need to make these guys invisible as well. This is the boring stuff right here, fixing stuff like this. I try not to do it on the streams because I don't like, I don't want to ruin it. And then right here, we can make him visible. Animation. I don't know, it's that one that has such a weird thing pop up. Cool. So we should have... Actually, we can fix this even further. So we can modulate this right here, which is a really fancy way of saying fading it in and out. So I'm going to just do that. So then we get a cleaner result. No, we don't. Apparently we don't. I guess apparently it's just not modulating. Oh, I never set it to, that's why. Cool. Try one more time. Cool. Awesome. That works. Alright, so this is the main menu right here. That's the medic, that's that scene right there. Hospital, that's that scene right here. It's kind of like both. So in a more technical way, how it works is interlude is essentially the space that is created when you have that 7 minutes of neural activity. It's basically a new dimension that's created. It's created off the person's memories. So when they're in that 7 minutes, it's just called interlude, but it's a dimension of itself. And the scientists here are exploring if it's possible to use that. And that's the whole thing. And that'll be one of the main characters' whole things, the whole spiel. This guy is a separate thing that I'm not going to spoil, because that really spoils everything if I do. I wonder if I could put all these guys as a child. Nope, no, can't do that. I do want to get something walking around in this scene to be able to look at everything. I did kind of put on collisions for everything, so it'd be nice if I could. Oh, I just got completely sidetracked. Oh, hallway. That's right. Like, decently looking hallway, please. No. This is training corridor. We don't want that. lab hallway, maybe? Ooh, that one kind of looks fire. You sent an image of its texture. That's an interesting texture for that. I have to say. This is cool. Hallway with light. I might have to use that one. That's kind of neat. Kind of gives you the feeling that you're not really supposed to be here, I guess. The only thing is I'm gonna have to put it in a Blender and then re-import it as a different file format. Oh, I completely forgot that there is a lot of bad models on here that I have to censor because unfortunately I don't want to get banned on YouTube. There we go. Okay. Trust me, it's happened before. This one also looks pretty promising right here. I could definitely do something with that. It's just FBX though, but that's fine. I don't want it to be too futuristic, just like, you know. This is Star Wars. That's actually kind of cool. Neat. What if we do a hospital hallway? See, there's not a lot of hallways. You'd be surprised. Not a lot of hallway models, which is always interesting to see. Well, I mean, okay, I guess this will work. This shall work. How long have we been streaming for? 2 hours, guys. We've been streaming for a hot second. I might have to end stream in a few minutes because it is getting kind of late for me. Slowly and surely we build this game, you know. Slowly and surely. Unfortunately I'm not able to stream every day, but I can stream most days, which is the best part. I am gonna look up and find some snow pine tree. See what they got on here. I might buy some pine trees, I'm gonna be honest. If they look good. If they look good, I'll get them. Yeah, more mind-blowing fact. Here's one. Trees are expensive. $200 is crazy. And they're also like 10 kajillion different triangles verses. Okay, well it says it has 30 verses. That's a lie. There's no way. Oh, guys, I might... $200 is kind of steep, though. I'm gonna be honest with you. For trees, it's a lot. This is more reasonable right here. These ones. I don't know. What do we think, guys? Do we think I should get it? This one has a lot. $2 for tree. Rather inaccurate, I have to say, yeah. This one's a potential. $34 is a pretty sweet deal. We do need some good-looking trees. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to find some. And we probably want a collection of trees. Ooh! $50. This is a nice-looking landscape. Oh my god, look at all the triangles. It's nuts. Ooh, you know it's bad when it's a half a gigabyte. Dude, Hawking, you're living, man. You're winning right now. You are winning and living in a dream. Getting paid. That sounds awesome. I just have to think about the costs that I'm gonna put into this and the costs that I'm gonna make on this. Because I'm not expecting to make a lot of money off this. I already have to spend a couple $100s to just put this on Steam. So I'm trying to keep costs low if I can. But I know there's not really a way around this. I've already looked on across the entirety of the internet for good trees that are free, and they just don't exist. Free trees just don't exist for some reason, which is fine. But $50 is kind of a lot. We'll see, we'll see. I would like an environment. Man, yeah, that is crazy, dude. Humble Bundled. I haven't heard of them. Bundled. Bundled 3D models. Huh. Interesting. Hey man, I respect that. You have it good, man. Kudos to you, dude. And you're doing game dev, that's awesome, you know? Game development is a lot of fun. Procedural, that's interesting. Winter land. Whoa, okay. I know this is a distant mesh, but still. Is that? Has to be, right? What do you reckon? Either way, that's still awesome. Are you kidding me? Yeah, they're all just polygons sitting up. It's still very neat. Very, very neat. I might have to actually get that. That's actually super cool. I've seen something like that in the past, but never like a scale that large. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. Ooh. That's a good looking one. That's $80, kind of a lot. A little steep. I'll see what I can do first, but unfortunately, I think it's that time. I think it's that time of the day. I might have to end stream, guys. How long have I been working on this game? Well, it's an interesting story. I started working on it as a game jam last October. And I kind of just set up the main environment, which was one room, and then called it quits on the jam. And then think about December, I was like, hey, I could probably make something cool out of this. And I spent a couple of weeks thinking about what I could do. And I went on a trip to Puerto Rico, and on that trip, I kind of came up with the whole idea, and I really liked the idea. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make this. It sounds like a really cool idea. And yeah. So I would say about a couple months now, off and on. It takes a second to get all the ideas. It's probably the hardest part for me, just getting everything in one place and all your thoughts on one thing. You know, so. Hold on, let me check something real quick. Yep, guys, I think it might be end of stream. I apologize, but I hope everyone's had a good time. We got some good stuff done today. We got a lot of scenes done. This is a fantastic scene still. Overall, very happy with what we have so far. I don't believe I'll be streaming tomorrow, but probably Monday or sometime this week I'll have a stream, and if you guys want to join me on that stream, that would be fantastic. If not, I completely understand. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope everyone has a